Hi friends, today we're going to make a watercolor resist. So you're either going to have an oil pastel or that's a crayon or that's an oil pastel. They're a little bit different. I'm going to try the oil pastel today. So first you write your name on the back of your paper. You can hold your paper either way, but you want to pick a corner to start in. So you're going to start with diagonal lines in a corner. So I did 1 line, 2, 3. I want to have 6. It's hard to see. 4, 5. Oh, my oil pastel broke. If yours breaks, you don't have to tell me. You can still use the pieces that you have. They still work. So how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I need one more for 6. So I have 6 diagonal straight lines going across my paper. Now in each little section, you're going to think of the letter U and draw that in each section. You can't really see, so I think I might change how I'm doing this. All right, Miss Shirley's holding it at an angle so you can see. Yours will be flat on your desk. So in each section, I'm drawing the letter U or like a parentheses over and over again. Now I'm going to get out my paint. I'm wetting it because this paint is dry when you first get it. It's very thirsty. Wait a minute. So what's supposed to happen is that the spider web shows up. But I think this was a weird or bad oil pastel. Uh-oh. All right, I'm not going to get mad. I'm starting over real quick. So this oil pastel that I'm using is the one that we have in our classroom. So I'm repeating the steps, the diagonal lines, the letter U over and over again. Beautiful. I hope this works. So the red is already wet. I'm going to put more water on it. And now I'm going to gently brush it on my paper. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy that this one, okay, these are the good oil pastels. This is what we have in our class, and these ones work. So you're gonna choose 2 colors. I'm choosing red and yellow. I'm not mixing them in their spaces. I'm gonna mix it on my paper. So I'm brushing the red on. And then I keep putting water on my brush, so I dip a little paint. I don't know if this, and maybe I should have chosen a bigger brush. Let's keep working and see. So I'm dip, put it in the paint, brush it on the paper, dip. And sometimes I don't even have to go to the paint. I can just spread out the paint that I have on my paper with more water. So I'm about halfway done with my first color. I think soon I'm going to switch to yellow. Rinsing my brush off, then I get the yellow. You can put it over the other color paint and it should switch colors. Should be a little orange. Ooh, that looks cool. It kind of looks like a sunset. I keep rinsing my brush because I don't want my yellow to turn orange in the paint palette. I only want to mix on my paper. My table might get a tiny bit wet because I have to do the edges. So sometimes the paintbrush goes on my paper and a little bit off the paper on the table, and that's okay because we'll wipe it afterwards with a wet wipe. I'm almost done. This is looking really good. So once you're done, you're going to pick your paper up. Let me show you. Actually, I have to zoom out to show you because I'm picking it up with 2 flat hands. See how my hands are flat? And I'm going to carry it carefully to the drying rack because it's wet. We can't take it with us today. Ta-da!